the Bun Bo. It's one of the most famous food in Hanoi. And today I will share you the experience to eat the Bun Bo. And later maybe I will try how to make the Bun Bo. Let's see. Hi, I'm back to my kitchen and I'm ready to make the Bun Bo. Let's go! I prepared all the ingredients here already. All the vegetable, noodle, peanuts, beef, bean sprouts, garlic, and already prepared dry onion. To prepare the beef, I will cut this, and you need to use a sharp line like this. And when you cut, you can see the beef like this, and you have to cut in this side. Because if you don't cut like this, when you stir fry, this will be chewy. And here I will have garlic, salt, and pepper. The beef to get the better taste, we have to put the season in this. And now I will prepare the sweet and sour carrots and kohlrabi. If you don't have kohlrabi, you can do with just carrots. For the kohlrabi and for the carrots, we need to peel. Then we cut the kohlrabi in square. For the carrots, you can cut like this. And then later, when you slice, this will become a flour. Now I add some water, sugar, 3 spoons, like this. Some salt and some vinegar, and now you soak the kohlrabi and carrots inside the bowl and just keep it. For the peanuts, we need to roll it. To make peanuts crunchy, you grab it in the paper and wait for it maybe 15 minutes. The good taste for Bun Bo is also with a good sauce. 5 spoons of water, 2 spoons of fish sauce, 1 spoon of vinegar, and 3 teaspoons of sugar. Stir well and add some garlic. And now it's time for vegetable. And now, in the end, we will stir fry the beef. And now is the final step. We do the topping. And I finish the Bun Bo, the famous Vietnamese food. And if you want to see another food, please like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you for watching.